everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am bringing you this spring glam to wear in your house. So today I really was actually inspired by one of my friends, Sarah, and she posted a picture, maybe it was a few weeks ago, and she had this lovely like freckly glowy skin, and it just really inspired me to want to do something kind of like spring-like with some freckles. Apart from, I haven't got any glitter on my lid. This is pretty much the same makeup that I did for my photo shoot when I announced my pink hair. I don't wear lashes this big all the time on my channel anymore, but it's pretty much my go-to at the moment. So if any of you want to see how I do my makeup for my channel at the moment, this is pretty much what I do. Before I get into the video, I just wanted to talk to you about the pieces of jewellery that I am wearing. As you can see, I am wearing some gorgeous pieces of jewellery, and they are from a brand who got in touch with me called Luisa. I had a look at the pieces on the site, and what really drew me to them, they are all about being eco-friendly. They use 100% recycled gold in all of their jewellery. The pieces are handcrafted, so it is all good stuff, and the pieces are gorgeous. I was very fortunate enough to be able to go on their website, pick out a few items, and the ones I have are the 3 pieces of jewellery that I am wearing throughout this video. So I'll just quickly talk to you about them. Okay, so as you can see, they came in this really gorgeous packaging, and everything just feels so sleek, so unique, so personalized, and it really has that handcrafted touch. Cute little messages on the back of the packaging in some of the product, which I think is just so sweet. The little details on the bracelet, it's just all pretty wholesome and cute, and you just feel good wearing something that you know isn't bad for the environment. You know, I didn't even think about jewelry being bad for the environment. At least you know that you are doing a good thing when you are purchasing these items. You are not harming the planet. From sustainable, eco-friendly approach, creating long-lasting, beautiful jewelry for everyone to enjoy while not harming the environment and society, which is what we want to hear. It's real gold, so it is going to not be like the cheapest on the block, but if you get cheap jewelry, it's gonna make your skin go green and it's not gonna last long. I got these hooped earrings. So normally you see that I have little hoops because I've got 3 holes in my ears. They do have the tiny hoops on their website, so go and have a little look at those if you have a few piercings in your ears and you like to just have earrings in them all the time like I normally do. These were easy to put in comparison to some of them that you find it's just absolutely impossible to put them in. I'm there forever pulling out my ear, and it's a horrible situation. So they were nice and easy to put in. They're so cute because they aren't too big that they're like a statement. They're just subtle. They just add a little something without being too in your face. This bracelet called the friendship bracelet, this one is handcrafted, so I just think it's so nicely with that little extra touch. It has different colors in this one as well if you want to have something that's a friendship bracelet but not one. You remember I used to make so many friendship bracelets when I was younger. We used to like pin them to a cushion and then like thread them around. If you want something that might last a little bit longer or might just be a bit more like adult version, then you can buy one of these. It's just something nice to have for you and your bestie. And then lastly, it's like a duo necklace. You can wear them separately, they're not attached. This is gonna sound really weird, but it's light but substantial. Do you know what I mean? So it feels elegant, it feels really good quality, because it is good quality, but I'm just telling you. I really like this layering. When I was looking on their site, there are some on their website where they've got 3 layers, so you can really build them up, and to be honest with you, you can mix and match. If you want to get a couple, you can just mix and match. This is just honesty hour here, okay? Because I don't invest in good jewelry, I don't tend to wear jewelry as much. Earrings tend to be the thing that I wear the most because I just keep the little hoops in my ears, and then that's that. When I put all this jewelry on, I suddenly felt like I had my life together. It's just all, I don't know, it's just, I feel elegant, I feel pretty, I feel lovely, and yeah, it's just a good day. If I'm honest with you, I'm in a really good mood today, and I just feel really put together now that I have all this jewellery on, and I think it's really cute. And I'm really excited by the items. Thank you very much to Luisa for sending these over. I mean, this is not sponsored, but it's a gifted ad, if you know what I mean. I will leave everything down in the description down below, as well as a discount code. Just go and grab anything that you can while you can. Treat yourself while you're in lockdown. You know, we're not going anywhere, so we might as well make ourselves feel good at home. It just goes to show that I put this jewellery on today, I feel like a new woman. So if you guys like this look and would like to see how you can create this spring glam at home, then just keep watching. So we're starting off with the Technic Brightening Primer, and I'm just popping this all over the skin. I find this works as a really nice primer at the moment, then following that with the Vitamin E Under Eye Brightener. Oh, we need it at the moment. Oh, we need it at the moment. So then I'm going into the two rare Maybelline Colour Stay foundations, and yeah, we are running low, super low. And then I'm using these. They're not the iconic drops, they're the ones that I got from Wish. If you want to see my Wish makeup tutorial, I try a load of makeup products from Wish, then you can go and check that out. Anyway, I'm mixing these two together, putting it all over the face. Then using the Technic concealer under the eyes and on any other areas. These are like the only kind of like new products I have at the moment because I did the video recently with them. Your girl's running out of makeup in this pandemic, I'm not gonna lie. Then basically like kind of baking using my RCMA no colour powder in all the places that would normally crease, and then do you know what, I just went all over the face. We're just putting it everywhere. And then we're going in with nice clean brushes with my Vote Billy mug. It's okay, soon my dear, soon. We're putting that all over, just basically setting everything into place and having a little dance while we do it. Fantastic. It's a dusty situation, it is. Then we're going into the Technic contour palette. Like I said, I literally am running out of all of my makeup, so these are the ones that we're using, and these are the ones that I've continued to use since I did their makeup tutorial, so at least you know I'm genuine when I say that I like products, eh? Hey? So we're contouring with this, and we're using it all over the skin, as you would. Oh, the new kind of contour technique that I have, which is what you saw, is where I like hold my hairline up and I pull my skin up, and then it just helps me get like a really nice contour, and I'm finding that works really well at the moment. Oh, I had an itch. Good technique that for you if you ever have an itch. So you can see I'm doing it here. I'm pulling my hairline back. Just find it gets a really nice sharp contour, and it works really well for me at the moment, so that is what I'm doing. Then I'm going into this, well, it's a dark highlighter. It's more of a bronzy highlighter, again from Wish. So there we are, we're still using some of those Wish products, people. We're still using some of them. So we're just bronzing the skin, and then I'm using the Technics highlighter, just the two shades that I pointed to get that skin nice and glowy for spring. You know, we love it. And as always, I always go in with like a little blending brush, and then I go in with a fan brush afterwards. That's the technique I use. And then again with the Technics blush palette, I am loving it. I am into blush now, but not that much. Now we're going on to eyes. So, gonna prime my eyes. That is the Rimmel, is it? Rimmel? Yep, Rimmel primer. And I mean, I only use the SOJOS palette, the Colourpop and Kathleen Lights collab. It's the only one I use, so basically all my other palettes are just sat redundant at the moment. But anyway, so you can see what I'm doing. Building up a crease shade, a transition shade, and then I built up a little bit warmer, but more focusing this in the outer corner as I want a really nice kind of soft, blown out eye look. And then I go back into the concealer, just take a little bit on my finger, and it's kind of like what you would do to do a cut crease, but I'm just taking this on like 3/4 of the eyelid, and that works as a nice base, and it helps the colours really pop, and it basically makes them stay on all day as well. So I'm focusing mainly on that main shade and using my finger to do it and blending it out. Honestly, I have never had more compliments on my eye makeup than when I've been using this palette. Ever since I've used this palette, literally I've had so many compliments on my eye makeup. Kathleen Light said that they're not continuing it once they are out of stock, so I think I'm gonna have to bulk buy because I literally don't use anything else. So if you have any suggestions for any palettes that are similar, please let me know, because it's gonna be a sad day when this runs out. Anyway, so then I am just highlighting my brow bone with the shades, as you can see, and blending it. And I'm gonna have a little tweezer moment there because we needed to have a little plockaroony, and just tight line top and bottom waterline, and then put basically all the same colours in the same technique under the eyes, and then build it up in the outer corner. You know the drill. I'm just blending that all out. And then I did a winged liner. I didn't do that on camera because it just takes too long and it wouldn't have turned out that well. So I'm now moving on to brows, brushing them through. This is the brushes I'm using as well are the ones I got from Wish, so you know, they are really good. I'm using the pomade side of the Technics, like duo brow little thing, and then I'm going into the powdered side afterwards, and then just, this is definitely expired, 100%, I've had this for years, but I'm just brushing that through the brow gel just to tame any hairs. I've curled my lashes, used the white mascara, and then followed by the Technics mascara as well. This is hands down my favourite mascara ever. Now, for under the eyes, I am taking the NYX glitter glue, and then I am using two glitters which are both by Barry M. They are body glitters, and I am just doing little spots like this under the eyes, and then the reason that I'm dabbing it with my finger is just to kind of spread it out a little bit, popping the glitter underneath. This is body glitter, so technically I'm not going to suggest you do this. I have to say, after my photo shoot I did get a little bit under my contact lens, a bit of glitter, and it definitely scratched my eye, so I wouldn't recommend it. It does look pretty though. Then I am doing the same thing but using that bold beautiful glitter in the palette on my inner corner. It's what I do at the moment for my inner corner, and it's just absolutely stunning. Again, white mascara first as always, followed by the lovely Technics. Oh, look at it, it's so good, so good. Right, moving on to lips. We are plumping the lips first. Get that plump it lip plumper on. So putting that all over the lips, and then what you don't want to do is this. Don't lick it. Amateur woman, amateur mistake. You know not to lick the plumping gloss. Anyway, we're going to pop some lashes on, and these are just 3/4 lashes. They kind of accentuate the outer corner. Now, if you know, you know. So we are just going to plump them lips a little bit. And then this is the lip combo I've been using and loving. So I am using the NYX pencil first, just to line my lips. Then the lip lingerie, which is the liquid lipstick. Then I tend to just kind of, I don't know, use my finger to blend it in a little bit more so you don't get that harsh line that you do with some liquid lipsticks. And then just tapping some of the lip gloss on. Now, I saw this on Soph Does Nails, her trying TikTok makeup hacks video to try and make freckles. Just basically like break up a bit of bronzer, put some setting spray on there, and then kind of flick it onto your face. Some worked, some didn't, so I did just go in with the really fine brush and draw a few on, but it kind of worked, so have a go and let me know how you get on. Then I'm just gonna set that all into place. This combination for the skin just works amazingly for me, and my skin looks amazing after doing it. So there we are, that is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it, and I will let Chatty Hannah take over from here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you've enjoyed this spring glam makeup tutorial. Hope you're all keeping well in lockdown. If you just want a little bit of fun, if you want to treat yourself, if you want to make yourself look and feel good, then try this at home. Let me know how you get on. Please tag me on socials if you do recreate something similar to this. Don't forget to go and check out all of Anna Louise's pieces down in the description down below. You can get yourself a lovely little bit of jewellery. Please subscribe if you're new here and whack that notification bell on, because I upload twice a week and you don't want to miss out on one of my uploads. Please give this video a like if you liked it and would like to see more videos like this in the future, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!